Welcome to online classes D1 Nalagonda. I am your Ankam Srinivas, and previous class we discussed about the tossing the coins and rolling dice and different cases. Now today in this part we are going to learn deck of play cards. Drawing, this is called the deck of play cards. This deck of play card containing the 52 cards. Now this card is containing the 52 card, children. Namely, here total we get the 52 cards, and in these 52 cards, red off and the block off. That means 26 cards of red and 26 cards of black. And clearly in this deck of play cards, they are containing the 52 cards. Among the 52, 26 red cards and 26 black cards. And in red cards, there are two types. One is the heart, we know the symbol, and this is the heart, we can see clearly. And the second one, diamond, this is the diamond, we can see clearly. So in this case we have the two types in red cards. One is the diamond, second one is the heart and diamond. This is the heart and this is the diamond. So here diamond will get the 13 cards, and here heart also will be get the 13 cards. And here black type, there are two type of cards are there in this club, and club is the black card, and also spade also black card. So these clubs, there exist the 13 cards, and spade also will get the 13 cards. So here club 13, and this also 13. So 13, 13, 13, 13 fours are 52. We will get here total here 52 cards. We will get the 52 cards. Among the 52 cards, 26 red, 26 black. Among the 26, 13 hot and 13 diamond, and 13 club, 13 spade. 13 hot, there are 13 type of cards exist in this deck of play cards. There are 13 types of, namely 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, jock, queen, king, jock, queen, king, and ace. And in each cases, heart, second heart, third heart, fourth heart, fifth heart, sixth heart, seventh heart, eighth heart, ninth heart, 10 heart, jockey heart, and queen heart, and king heart, and the ace heart. So in hearts there are 13 type of cards. In the same diamond, 2 diamond, 3 diamond, so on, ace diamond. And club, 2 club, 3 club, 4 club, 5 club, and 10 club, we will get. And in the same way spade, 2 spade, 3 spade, so on, king spade and ace spade. So there are 13 type of cards here, different type of cards are available. Each card has the 4 symbols. The 4 symbols means here heart, one is the heart and diamond and club. We will get like this, children. So 10 has the 4 cards and 2 has the 4 cards. All these type of cards has the 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 into 4 we will get here. This one will get the 4 cards and here 4 cards. We will get the heart, and diamond, club and spade. So 2 diamond, 2 heart, 2 club, 2 spade. So like this every card has the 4. So this also has the 4. So total up to here ace will get the 4. So 4 into 13 we will get here 4 into 13 we will get the 52. So we know about the number of cards in the deck of 52 play cards. If we know perfectly number of cards in the deck of play cards, to solving the problems very easy. Now I am going to explain one more different type of cards in this face cards. Face cards, number cards. Face cards, number cards. Here see children, these 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, or these all are numbers. So we can call as the number cards. How many cards are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 into each one 4. So 4 nines are 36. So there are 36 number cards in deck of play cards. And Jack, Queen, King. Jack, Queen, King are called the face cards. Face cards. That means it appear the face. See now in this case you can see clearly 4 face cards. Face, you can see face clearly. Face, jock face. How many are there here? 4. And 4 king. Here also face. You can see the face of king. How many cards are there? 4 kings. And here queen. How many queens are there here? 4 queens. You can see the face in this face. So we got 4 jack cards, 4 queen cards and 4 king. So these 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12. These 12 cards known as the face cards. 12 cards known as the face cards. So face cards, number of face cards equal to number of face cards will get the 12. So clearly we can find here 36 number of number cards. Number of number cards 36. So my dear children, to know the about type of cards in the deck of play cards, to solving the probability problems very easily. So just I am again revise you. In deck of play cards as the 52 cards. Among the 52, 26 red cards, 26 black cards, 13 heart, 13 diamond, 13 club, 13 spade, and each type of cards has the 4. That means one is the 2. Suppose if I take the 6 heart, 6 diamond, 6 club and 6 spade. If I take the king heart, king diamond, king club and king spade. If we take the face cards, we know the which are appear the face on the play cards are the face cards. There are 12 face cards. Now see the problems depend on these all cards. Now children here face cards 12. Now asking the question like this. When draw one card drawn from a deck of play cards, what is the probability that card is a king? What is the probability that card is a king? Especially the sample space deck of play cards n of s equal to 52. We know the total number of outcomes in deck of play cards 52. Now event 1, I am taking the event 1. Event 1, what is the event 1? King card. King. To get king card. One card drawn from deck of play cards, what is the probability that card is king? So what is the event here? That card is the king. So what is the favorable outcomes here? Event 1, number of event 1 equal to, we will get the 4. So king, heart king, diamond king, club king, spade king. So favorable outcomes are 4. And the total number of outcomes is the 52. And we will get the 4 1s are 4 13s are, we will get the 1 by 13. How easy? Suppose if we ask the question, one card drawn from well shuffled deck of 52 play cards, what is the probability to get red king? Red king. In the deck of play cards there are 4 kings. 4 kings. Among the 4, 2 are black and 2 are red. So what are the favorable outcomes? Red king. So how many red kings are there? 2 red kings. So we can get the answer, probability of event 2. Probability of event 2, we get the 2 by 52. Very easy. Now one more question. What is the probability? Now this is every time not repeating. One card drawn from well shuffled deck of play cards. What is the probability to get? Up to here same common. What is the probability to get queen? What is the probability to get queen? How many queens are there? 4. So what is the probability? 4 by 12. Suppose if I given the question, what is the probability to get ace? How many ace are there here? 4 ace. So 4 by 52. What is the probability to get the black card? One card drawn from a deck of play card. What is the probability to get a black card? What is a black card? How many black cards are there here? 26. So what is the probability? 26 by 12. Suppose event 3 black card. If I take the black card here, how many number of black cards are there here? 26. So 26 by 52. We will get the 1 by 2. Very easily. Suppose if I ask the question, what is the probability to get heart? To get heart. So what is the probability to get heart? To get the heart. To get the heart, children, probability to get heart equal to favorable outcomes to get heart. How many heart are there here? 13. So favorable outcomes are 13 by 52 equal to 1 by 4. How easy? Can we make one more question? One card drawn from a deck of 52 play cards. What is the probability to get club? What is the probability to get club? 13 by 52. 13 by 52. Next, one more question. One card drawn from a deck of play cards. What is the probability to get red 10? Red 10. 10. How many different type of cards are there? 4 or 4 type of 10s. Here our favorable outcomes are 2. So what is the probability? 2 by 52. Suppose one more question. What is the probability to get face card? What is the probability to get face card? How many face cards are there? There are 12 face cards. So what is the probability to get this one? Even to 5, let us suppose, face card, we will get the number of favorable outcomes 12 by 52. 12 by 52. And one more question on the face card. One card drawn from a deck of play cards. What is the probability to get red face card? Now in these 12 face cards, there are 12 face cards. Among the 12 face cards, 6 black and 6 red. Clearly we can see the 6 cards are red and 6 cards are black. If you ask the question, probability to get that card is a red face card. Red face card. Red face card. So probability equal, we will get the answer, number of favorable outcomes. How many face cards are there? Total 12. Among the 12, 6 are red face cards. So favorable outcome 6. Total number of outcomes, how many? 52 only. Always you take 52 only here. So my dear children, if you know the all type of cards in the deck of play cards, we can solve easily depend on the deck of play cards in probability. So using this concept in your textbook problem, solve yourself and write some more questions, prepare some creative problems depend on this one and solve yourself and show your teachers, and you will get the more knowledge. Thank you very much watching my video. Welcome to online classes D1 Nalgonda, and the topic is probability. Dear children, the concept we have discussed in the previous classes. Now let's solve the exercise problems. Now exercise 13.1. See the third question. If probability of event equal to 0.05, what is the probability of not E? Now probability E equal to 0.05 and we have to find the probability of not E, E bar equal how much? The sum of these are called the probability not E, means the complementary of the event. The sum of complementary of the event always we will get the 1. So here P of E plus P of E dash complementary not E equal to 1. So we want get to probability of E dash, will get the 1 minus 0 probability of E. And what is the probability of E? 0.05. 1 minus 0.05. We will get here 0.95. Very easily, the sum of complementary angles is always equal to 1. Now see the next question. Fifth question. Rahim remove all the hearts from the deck of play cards. What is the probability of getting ace and ace card from remaining pack? Getting a diamond, getting a card that is not heart, getting the ace of heart. There are 4 questions. Let's see these answers. First one. First, a deck of play cards has the 52 cards. Deck of play cards has the 52 cards. There are 52 cards. And in these 52 cards, 13 hearts, 13 club, 13 diamond, 13 spade. So, Rahim remove the 13 hearts. So, if you remove the from 52 to 13 hearts, remaining cards are 39. So, sample space, number of sample space equal to, we will get 39. Dear children, in deck of play card has the 52 cards. In this, there are 13 hot cards are exist. If you remove the 13 cards from deck of play cards, we will get the 39 the remaining cards. Now these all questions depend on only 39 cards. First question, getting an ace from the remaining pack. So ace cards, there are ace, 4 type of ace cards are there: heart ace, diamond ace, club ace, and spade ace. So among the 4, one heart already removed the heart. If you remove the heart, remaining is the 3. So we will get here 3 by total 39. So event 1, first event, first answer, event 1, we will get here only ace. First, diamond is, there are the diamond and A diamond and A club, A spade. There are 4 ace cards are there. In this, remove the diamond. So remaining how many? 3. So number of E1 equal to, we will get the 3. What is the probability formula? Probability equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. So probability of E1 we can get here 3 by 39. 3 ones are 3, 3 13s are, we will get the 1 by 13. So in examination, in each problem you must write the formula of the probability. I am not mentioning the every time. Please keep in your mind. And the second one, I am going to do the directly second one. Probability to get diamond. Let us suppose second event, diamond. Among the 39 cards, we have the 13 diamond cards. So the favorable outcomes are 13. By total outcomes 39. 13 ones are, 13 threes are, we will get the 1 by 3. And third problem. What is the third problem? Getting a card that is not heart. Now, out of 52 cards, we remove the 13 cards. The remaining cards are 39, the which are not exist heart. Among the 39, no heart card. So he is asking the question, not a heart. Remaining all are not a heart. Among the 39, no heart exists. So the favorable outcomes are 39. Total outcomes also 39 equal to 1. Do you understand clearly? Not a heart. Total number of cards 52. Among the 52, Rahim removed the 13 heart cards. What of the remaining? The remaining cards has no heart. So, to get the not a heart, the favorable outcomes become 39. Total outcomes 39. 39 by 39 equal to 1. And last question, getting the ace heart card. Now, in this case, ace, there are 4 types of ace cards are there. Already Rahim removed the heart ace. Is exist a heart ace in this deck of cards which containing 39? No. So, no heart ace among the 39. So, probability to get the ace of heart, the favorable outcomes nothing, no favorable outcomes here, 0 and 39 equal to 0. Why? We had Rahim removed the heart cards. One of the ace card also will be removed. So remaining ace cards are, one is the diamond, club and spade. So in this question he is asking ace of heart. Ace of heart does not exist out of 39 cards. So our favorable number of favorable outcomes are 0. So total outcomes are 39. Now see the another problem, exercise 13.2. Sixth question. One card is selected from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a red king, a face card, a red face card, the jack of heart, a spade and ace card. Now we know that a deck of play card containing 52 cards. So number of samples equal to 52. And we know the probability formula equal number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes which are possible, all types. And first take the first event, first problem. A king of red. A king of red. Children, among the 52 cards, there are 4 red cards. In 4, 2 red, 2 black. So, in this case, we will get here a king of red. So, probability of king of red, probability E1 equal, we will get the king of red, we will get the 2 cards favorable and total cards 52. So, we will get 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 2 6 are 1 by 26. Easy. And the second problem, what is the second problem? A face card. We know that among the 52 there are 12 face cards. So event 2 is a face card. So probability to get a face card equal to number of favorable outcomes 12 by 52. 12 by 52. In 4 table, 4 3s are 12, 4 13s are. So very easily. Okay, we know this. If you know the all type of cards, solving this problem very easily. Next problem, third one. What is the third one? A red face cards. There are 12 face cards. Among the 12, 6 red cards, 6 black cards. So he is asking the red face card. red face card. So red face card probability of E3 equal with number of favorable outcomes 6, total outcomes 52. The total number of outcomes never change in this case. So into table 2 3s are 6, 2 26 are. So 3 by 26. And the fourth one, jack of heart. Jack of heart. So let us suppose this is an event to 4. What is the probability to get jack heart? Probability jack heart equal to number of favorable outcomes. Jack, there are 4 cards, and heart jack, diamond jack, club jack, and spade jack. So you are asking the of heart jack, there exists only 1. So favorable outcomes 1, total outcomes 52. And fifth one, a spade. So number of favorable outcomes here 13. Among the 52 cards, there are 13 spade cards. So favorable outcomes 13, total outcomes 52. Then we'll get the 1 by 4. And last one, an ace card. Probability of to get ace card equal to, among the 52 there are 4 ace cards. So 4 by 52. 4 ones are 4 13s are, we will get the 1 by 13. How easy solve this problem? Not only this, any type of question you can solve the, if you know the deck of play cards, type of play cards. Now some more problems on exercise 13.2. Question number 2. A box contains 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles, and 4 green marbles. One marble is taken out of the box at random. What is the probability that the marble taken out will be red, white, not green? So in this case, now first find the total outcomes. Total outcomes, number of total outcomes, we will get first write the number of red. Number of red marbles 5, number of white marbles 8, and number of green marbles 4. And these 3 type of marbles containing a box. So this box containing contains 5 plus 8 plus 4. How much will we get? 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 4, 17. So this contains the marbles. So a box containing 17 marbles, among the 17, 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles, 4 green marbles. Now if select a marble from the box, if taken out a marble from box, that marble become a red. So first you take the event, first event is the red marble. To get the red marble, so probability of to get a red marble is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of అవుట్కమ్స్. దయచేసి ప్రతిసారి మీరు ఆ సూత్రాన్ని రాయాలి. సో ప్రాబబిలిటీ ఈక్వల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఫేవరబుల్ అవుట్కమ్స్ బై total number of outcomes. Here, what is the probability to get the red marble? There are 5 red marble, favorable outcomes 5 and total 17. So we will get 5 by 17. Second one. The second event is white ball or white marble. Water may be, you may give the sometimes marble, balls, all different type of items. So here probability to get a white marble. How many white marbles are there real? 8. So favorable outcomes 8, total outcomes 17. Very easy. Third one, and event 3. Not green, not a green. In this box containing 17 balls, there are 4 balls green, remaining are not green. Remaining what? White and red. What is the sum of white and red marbles? 5 plus 8, we will get the 13. So the favorable outcomes are 13. Because there are total marbles in the box is 17, 14 are green balls. If you subtract 14 from 17, 13, there are 13 not a green. So the favorable outcomes is 13 by total outcomes 17. Very easy children to solve the probability problems. What is the given information, what we have to find, and if you clarify that one, always you take favorable outcomes as per given in numerator, total outcomes in denominator, you will get the answer. Simply you have to check what are the favorable outcomes, what are the total outcomes. Okay, now see the another problem, 8th question. Very long question, no? See, 12 defective pens are accidentally mixed with 132 good ones. It is not possible to just look at a pen and tell whether or not it is defective. One pen is taken out at random from this lot. Determine the probability that the pen taken out is a good one. Very simple. Looking this is a problem very long, but answer see children. Now 12 defective pens mixed with 132 good ball. So how many defective pens? Number of defective pens equal 12. Now number of good pens equal 132. What is the total? Total equal 144. Now in lot of pen, bunch of pen, there are 144 pen. Among the 144 pen, we cannot justify looking whether it is a good pen or defective pen. But if we select the taken out one pen from the lot of pens, that pen, what is the probability that pen is a good one? So what is the favorable to us? We have to take the favorable to number of good pens. What is the total outcomes? 144. So what is the probability of event? The probability of event equal to number of favorable outcomes by number of total outcomes. What is the favor here? Taken out good one. So what is the good pens here? 132. So 132. And here total outcomes 144. So if we cancel 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 12, 12 ones are 12 twos are, we'll get the 11 by 12. How easy, children, this problem? So don't see the length of the problem. Concept is very easy. Whatever given problem, you have to choose the what is the favorite outcome, what is the total outcome. Now see another problem in exercise 13.2, 10th question. A box contains 90 discs which are numbered from 1 to 90. If one disc is selected from the box, find the probability that it bears a 2-digit number, and second one a perfect square, and third one a number divisible by 5. Now first we have to take a sample space. In sample space there are one number disc. So n of s equal, we will get the 90. So number of total discs are 90. Now first question is asking 2-digit number. What are the 2-digit number? Now in 1 to 9, name given 1 to 9, 90. So here 1 to 9 single digit, and 10, 11 and up to 90 are 2-digit number. Now 1 to 9 there are 90 discs. Among the 90 discs, 1 to 9 or 9 discs are single number digits. Remaining how much? Total 90 discs. 1 to 9 discs are single digit number discs. So remaining how much? 90 minus 9, we will get the 81. So there are 81 2-digit numbers appeared on disk. So before that, write the formula probability. Number of favorable outcomes by outcomes, total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. First you take the event, first event. What is the first event? A 2-digit number. A 2-digit number. So probability of to get a 2-digit number on the disk equal number of favorable outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes is the 81 by total outcomes is the 90. Clearly children, there are 1 to 9, 90 discs are there. They are given the numbered appeared 1 to 9 on disk. 1 to 9 discs are single digit number. Remaining how much? 81 discs are 2-digit number. So to select one disc from the box, that disc appeared a 2-digit number is 81 by 90. 9 9s are 81, 9 10s are 90. So probability to get 2-digit number on the disk is 9 by 10. And second event. What is the second event here? The second event is a perfect square. A perfect square. What is the meaning of perfect square? A number can be written as product of two the same numbers. Now if I take the 1 can be write 1 into 1 is a perfect square. If you take the 4 2 2s are 4. And if I take the 9, 3 3s are 9, and 16, 4 4s are 16, 25, 5 5s are, and 36, 49, and 64, 81, 100. These are all perfect squares. Now up to 90. So we have only up to 90. So up to 81 only. How many are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 favorable outcomes. So even to 2 equal, we will get the 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64 and 81. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 favorable outcomes. There are 9 favorable outcomes. So we will get the probability of a perfect square is 9 by 90. Because favorable outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 by total 90. 9 ones are 9, 9 tens are 90. Clear? Very easy. Next third one. Third one is a number divisible by 5. Even to 3 divisible by 5. Now divisible by 5. 5. Now what we will get the divisible by 5? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85 and 90 also. So probability to get a number divisible by 5 equal to number of favorable outcomes by number of total outcomes. If we count here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. How much? 6. 6 is 18. How many we get here? 18. So number of favorable outcomes are 18. Total outcomes are 90. 19 table 18 ones are 80. 18 5s are 90. So 1 by 5. Very easy, you can do, children. Sometimes you may ask the question, and let us suppose one more question in this, a prime number. What is the probability to get a prime number appeared on the disk? So what are the prime numbers between 1 to 90? There are 25 prime numbers between 1 and 100. There are 25 prime numbers between 1 and 100. So up to 90 we will get the 24 prime numbers, because after 90, between 90 and 100 we will get only one prime number. So my dear children, if you ask the question, find the probability that it bear a prime number. So if I take here fourth one is a prime number, probability to get a prime number is equal to number of favorable outcomes. How many favorable outcomes? From 1 to 90 there are 24 prime numbers. 24 prime numbers by 90. So 6 table, 6 fours are 24, 6 ones are 6, 6 fives are 90. So prime numbers from 1 to 100, we will get the 25. Among the 25, from 90 to 100, only one prime number will be exist. So the prime numbers between 1 to 100, there are 24. To get the probability that is a prime number, is 24 by 90. The remaining problem in your textbook, do yourself and practice yourself. You will get the more knowledge. Thank you very much watching my video. Thank you.